Hi, today we will play A to Z spelling game. A. A is for apple. Let's spell it. A. B. B. L. E. A is for apple. Apple. B. B is for book. Let's spell it. B. O. O. K. B is for book. Book. C. C is for cup. Let's spell it. C. U. B. C is for cup. Cup. D. D is for dog. Let's spell it. D. O. G. D is for dog. Dog. E. E is for eye. Let's spell it. E. Y. E. E is for eye. I. F. F is for fish. Let's spell it. F. I. S. H. F is for fish. Fish. G. G is for goat. Let's spell it. G. O. A. D. G is for goat. Goat. H. H is for horse. Let's spell it. H. O. R. S. E. H is for horse. Horse. I. I is for igloo. Let's spell it. I. G. L. O. O. I is for igloo. Igloo. J. J is for juice. Let's spell it. J U I C E. J is for juice. Juice. K. K is for kite. Let's spell it. K I T E. K is for kite. Kite. L. L is for lion. Let's spell it. L I O N. L is for lion. Lion. M. M is for mango. Let's spell it. M A N G O. M is for mango. Mango. N. N is for nest. Let's spell it. N E S T. N is for nest. Nest. O. O is for orange. Let's spell it. O R A N G E. O is for orange. Orange. P. P is for parrot. Let's spell it. P A R R O T. P is for parrot. Parrot. Q. Q is for quail. Let's spell it. Q U A I L. Q is for quail. Quail. R. R is for rabbit. Let's spell it. R A B. B. I. T. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S. S is for ship. Let's spell it. S. H. I. P. S is for ship. Ship. T. T is for tiger. Let's spell it. T. I. G. E. R. T is for tiger. Tiger. U. U is for umbrella. Let's spell it. U. N. B. R. E. L. L. A. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V. V is for vulture. Let's spell it. V. U. L. T. U. R. E. V is for vulture. Vulture. W. W is for wolf. Let's spell it. W. O. L. F. W is for wolf. Wolf. X. X is for xylophone. Let's spell it. X. Y. L. O. P. H. O. N. E. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y. Y is for yacht. Let's spell it. Y. A. C. H. T. Y is for yacht. Yacht. Z. Z is for Zebra.
Skip to my loo, my dog.
Let's spell it. Z E B
Cows in the pasture.
R
Moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture. Moo,
A
moo, moo. Cows in the pasture. Moo, moo, moo.
Z is for
My dog.
zebra.
Loo, loo. Skip to my loo. Loo, loo. Skip to my
Zebra.